What are the functions of steam boilers in the plastic production industry? In the extrusion and injection molding process of plastic production, accurate temperature control is crucial to the quality of the product. Peloton steam boilers can accurately control steam temperature and pressure with intelligent control systems. Peloton steam boiler has efficient heating capacity, which can speed up the efficiency of plastic production, shorten processing time, meet market demand and improve enterprise competitiveness.